Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Marianne Mathenge. So today we are in Karen. We got an invite from Cakes by Nadia. She's best known for cakes and dessert, and we'll find out what else. So stay tuned and let's go meet her.
Hi, karibu.
Thank you so much. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
for having us. Finally, I get to meet Cakes by Nadia
Yeah.
in person.
Yes.
Okay, so show
Come.
me around.
Come and show you my kitchen. So this is a place
Wow.
where I do all my cooking and baking, my machines, my oven, and
Let me just say,
my happy place.
you have a lovely kitchen.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So tell me, which cake are we baking today?
Today I'm baking one of my favorite cakes.
Uh-huh.
It's one of my favorite tea cakes, lemon and poppy cake.
Ooh.
It's very popular nowadays. The taste
Yeah.
is very nice. It's a very summery cake. You can enjoy with your tea. You can enjoy it like that. You
Yeah.
can give it as a gift, you know, if nobody likes a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
So I love baking this cake. This is one of my favorite cakes.
Well, maybe it will be my favorite. So let's get to it. Just
Okay,
show
let's
me
start.
what you do.
Let's start. I'll add my oil. I'll add my milk. Mix it again. Slow. So the main thing is that when you are baking a cake, you should whisk it properly.
Yeah.
If you whisk it less, that means you're not making your cake fluffier, you know. More you whisk it, more fluffier, more softer the cake is, yeah. And because I have a heavy machine, so it's easier for me to do it. Some people use a hand beater,
Yeah.
which takes a quite
And it's very tiring.
a long
Super
time. Yeah,
tiring.
yeah, super tiring as well. Yeah. I like using this pan because it comes out in a flower shape.
Yeah.
You can do so many things with it. It's such a simple and easier. It looks so pretty.
It's very pretty, yeah.
And it's one of my favorite pans.
Okay, so
actually.
let's use
okay.
that.
Let's grease this pan. Sorry. I don't grease it with my hands. I just use this spray, non-stick spray. It's
Yeah.
much more convenient.
Yeah,
it's
better.
much more easier. And especially for us, when we do baking at home, we do a lot of cakes, yeah? We can't be putting
time
butter.
saver.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
time
time
saver
saver,
as
yeah.
well. Yeah, exactly, yeah? So, okay. Let me bring this here. Okay. I like mixing one more time, so I
Yeah,
can
it's
remove
really well
everything. Yeah,
Super nice.
so not a lot. Now I'll pour this on my greased pan. Like that.
It already looks yummy.
Yeah.
It's not even done.
It will taste better. For sure. Guaranteed. I'll be patting my cake because I like patting it because it removes the air bubbles.
Ah.
I have preheated the oven
Oh, okay.
at 180 degree.
Okay.
That is the best thing to do. You can even, if your oven is slow, my oven is fan heated oven, yeah? I prefer using fan heated oven. Fan heated oven, it gives heat everywhere around, yeah? And when you're having an electric oven, it can burn your cake very easily, because electric ovens, there's grill up and down, yeah? So you have to manage it, but with fan heated, I love it. That is my favorite oven, yeah? So it's preheated. You should always preheat your oven before putting your cake. so it's hot enough. Yeah.
Hot enough, yeah.
Yeah. We are putting it on 180 for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
So I'll put my cake inside. I'll make it to 180 and I will leave it. By the time the cake is getting ready, let me show you a simple starter.
Today I'm all about planning. Show me.
It's a mushroom starter.
Okay.
I use white button mushrooms. It's a very simple starter. And I think so if I'll teach people, they will love making it at home. It's a very simple dish.
Okay.
Very easy to make and very yummy as well. Okay.
Today, here's the day. So
Yeah.
how do I help?
You can wash this for me.
Okay.
You can put it in this kichungi. I'll keep the pan ready. Okay.
So you need to like cut them?
Yes. Let me get a bowl for you. You don't need to cut completely. I'm using the whole mushroom.
Okay.
So I'm just cutting the size like this, yeah? Only this part, yeah? Because I want to use,
The whole thing.
yeah. It is a very quick meal, very easy to make. When my husband comes home, I just do it in front of him when he's in the kitchen. He's just roaming around drinking a glass of water. When I keep everything ready, when everything is ready, I don't think so you need a lot of time, you know. And I love cooking this dish with butter. I know it's, if we want to use olive oil, you can use olive oil as well. But I prefer butter. Even my kids love it with butter. Yeah, you can pick up this one. I like my station clean.
I've seen. Not a Mexico.
Okay, so I'll use butter. You can add about a tablespoon and a half of butter. Yeah. So we have added the butter. We make sure we don't burn the butter
Okay.
because there's salt in the butter. When you burn it, it becomes brown.
Oh.
Which is not a good thing.
Yeah.
The smell will not be so
So you
good.
just
And
burn it.
when you are going to cook the food as well, it will become brown and like it's a burnt. You don't need it. Yeah. So when the butter is melted, you add about 2 tablespoons of garlic, chopped garlic. I like it
I
filled up.
love the way you chop. I'm like the way you
Yeah.
instead of like
Yes. So I'm going to cook this. I like my garlic crispier. And you have to cook it very fast because the mushroom will start, removing water, yeah? Mushroom has a lot of water.
Yeah, the juice.
So, yeah, the juice. So if you cook it for a longer period, it will remove water. We don't want a watery, starter. So I'll start adding my things.
Okay.
Start adding this on fast.
I love that golden brown color.
Yes, see this? I'll add some chilies. If you are not fond of chilies, don't add. Okay, I can add a little bit of this.
Okay.
And
Can I mix it up for you?
yes, please. And salt here. Just start mixing. I will add salt.
Okay.
I'm not adding a lot of salt because butter also has salt.
Yeah.
I'll add black pepper. And I'll add citric acid here. You can use lemon juice as well, but I prefer citric acid because if you put lemon juice, it removes a lot of water.
So yeah.
So, I can add a bit of thyme.
I love it. You just add it.
Yeah. So we are almost done. Now I will plate it for you guys.
Okay.
So you can see how I plate it. Yes.
Wow, that looks yummy.
Can you see the color? I love this color.
Love it.
Okay, we are done. Let's plate it, yeah? And there you have your meal.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to taste this. It looks pretty nice the way you've garnished it. Wow.
Now you can taste my
dig
dish.
in. Let's
Yes.
dig in, Nadia.
Yes.
Dig in.
Sure.
Oh, thank
This for you.
Aww. Oh my god, I really love it.
Can you
I
feel
can try
the
this.
garlic
I can
taste?
try this at home.
Yeah.
I really love it. It was such a quick meal.
And it's easier to make. Even if you have guests at home,
And it's so tasty.
you can just go if you have mushroom available. And everything is there. You know, mostly everything is there at home. Butter is there, black pepper is there, salt is there. Citric acid, if you don't have citric acid, you can always use lemon juice.
Yeah.
And then you can use your own
feel all the
spices.
spices you
Yeah.
used and the garlic. Perfect.
I love garlic. Garlic is something.
Perfect.
Yeah. So I think the cake is ready now.
Okay. Wow. That was fast.
Yes. It is nice, brown.
Ooh. Wow. Good to know. So tell me more about Cakes by Nadia. Like,
Cakes by Nadia, you know, it was just a fun thing from home. I started from home. I still do from home only.
yeah.
I don't have any place to do anything. I started creating my own desserts, creating new things.
Yeah.
You know, before I used to take, you know, cakes to people's house and they used to enjoy. They always used to tell me, you know, bring this cake, bring that cake. So I told my husband, you know, I have to do something because if they like it, maybe other people will enjoy as well.
Yeah.
And he told me, just go ahead,
Do
do
it.
it. Yeah. I got encouraged by my family, of course, you know, because they used to love my food and they used to tell me, you know, you're so quick. Like my mother, she always used to tell me, Nadia, you can cook food so quickly, you know. By the time I'm just coming from one place to another, everything is ready. What is happening here?
Well, yeah, that was quick. I mean, the
Yeah.
cake took only 30 minutes to
Yes,
get done.
yes.
And the mushroom dish we had, it took less than 15 minutes. So that
10
was pretty
minutes,
quick.
I think. So
Yeah.
if everything is ready, 10 minutes is more than
that
enough.
was pretty quick.
And I love cooking, you know, fresh things. You know, that is my my thing. I don't like baking cakes earlier. If I have order today, I'll bake it in the morning.
Which is the best type of cake that you've baked? Like I've heard you're famous for macadamia cake.
Yes.
Yeah.
Macadamia cake is one of my best cake what I make. People love my chocolate cake as well with Nutella dripping. I've started making this lemon cake. I do coffee cakes. People love my coffee cake as well. So I do all type of cakes. It depends what you like.
It goes with
Because it's summer,
what you
I
get.
love doing, you know, like a lemon cake because it's summer, you know, so you can enjoy, you know, the citrus, and,
Yeah.
you know. Orange cake, I've done it. I do chocolate cakes. I've done vanilla cake. I do custard cake. I do rose and pistachio cake.
Wow.
So I've done a lot of cakes. If you
Lots
see
of
my page as well, there's a lot of variety there.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
where can we find you? Like, are you on social media?
I am on Instagram, cakes
By
underscore
Nadia.
by Nadia.
I will attach them below
Yes,
in the
and
video. Yeah.
I'm on Facebook as well, Cakes by Nadia, but I'm more active on
Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, and then I have, if anybody has my phone number,
Yeah.
I have, you know, my status going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I live in Karen. I'm far, but I do delivery as
Yeah,
well.
you can deliver
Yeah.
anywhere. Thank you so much for welcoming us in your
Yes.
beautiful home
Pleasure,
and
pleasure.
for cooking for us.
No,
Yeah.
pleasure,
And
pleasure.
can't wait to be back.
Yeah.
Can't wait to be invited, and I'm just here
No,
like,
you can
can't
just
wait
give
to
me
be
a call.
back.
No, you can just give me a call.
Hey,
Nadia, I'm
Nadia, I'm in
coming.
the
What are you
area.
making?
Yeah.
So we can do something else. You
Yeah.
know? We can do something else. Yeah, I do desserts as well. I do setups as well.
I'll be looking forward to
Yeah.
that, Nadia. So there you have it, guys. We've come to the end of today's vlog. Please like, share and subscribe, and also follow Nadia's page. I'll attach her details below. Until next time, adios.
Bye.